Yeah. So I'm going to share this sheet with you, everyone. So I'm going to update all the app scripts, all the automation scripts here with the script name, script description, script type, and how to use and script link. Today, I'm going to explain you two scripts. One is to extract URLs from the sitemap, and the another one extract metadata from those URLs. Okay. So let me see the first script. So whenever you want to extract the URLs from a sitemap along with their robot.txt status, not the robots tag status. Maybe anyone can share any of their project URL in the chat. I will show you how can we extract those URLs. Anyone can share.
You want
Yeah.
okay, very
So just add sitemap underscore index.xml. So just copy this URL and paste it in the column A, row 2. Okay. Go to the extension, click on app script. Okay. Right. Just a second. So just click on the run button. First time it will ask for the permissions. Just give the permissions. Like this, review permissions. So just click on allow. So now the script will start the execution. So you can see here. So now it is updating all the URLs. So this is the sitemap URL. These are the individual sitemap URLs, and these are the sitemap URLs. Okay. In the column C, all URLs will be there. In the column D, it will update their robots tag status. Once execution is completed, you can see here. Okay, the execution is completed. You can see here in the column D, robot tag status. So by seeing this data, you can know whether we are adding no follow, no index, or index tag or not. So we can fix that robots tag status. Once the URLs are available, just copy these URLs. If you want to extract metadata of these URLs, copy these URLs and open this sheet, the second sheet, extract metadata sheet, and paste all the URLs in column A row from row 2 like this, and click on extension, click on app script, just click on run button, will ask the permissions, provide all the permissions. Okay, yes, check here. So it will update canonical tag status, URL redirection status, whether the URL is redirecting or not. It will update the meta title, meta description, headline 1, and word count. Wait for that the data will reflect in the sheet. Yes, see. So in the column B, this is a canonical tag, canonical URL. In the column C, the redirection status, whether it is redirecting, it will update 301. If it is not redirecting, it will update the status as okay. So in the column D, meta title is there. In the column E, meta description is there. Column F, headline 1, it is updated. And column G, it is updated as word count. Yeah. So we can get everything in one sheet and we can use the data.
There are
Yeah.
some questions, Anil.
Yes, yes.
First, when we are fetching the sitemap,
Mm-hmm.
then obviously those URLs will come that are index, right?
Yes, yes.
So whatever the URL that are no index, that will definitely not come, appear.
Whatever the URLs are there in the sitemap, we'll get the data. Whether
Hmm.
the URLs are indexed or not, we
Hmm.
don't know.
No, no,
But
that
yeah,
will be obviously index now because
see,
they
of course.
won't, they can't
Uh,
be in index because if they are coming into the sitemap.
no, if you see here, I think in this, it is not updated. But if you have some category URLs, if you have some portfolio URLs, most of the time we are restricting the category URLs, right, in the indexing. But still we are
Hmm.
going to get those metadata also by running this script.
Okay, but if we have no index those category pages, then they won't be appearing on that sitemap. But yeah, regarding that this metadata script, so that
Mhm.
this is fetching those word count, right?
Yes,
So that
yes.
word count, what word count it is fetching? The all over page word
Yes,
count
all
because.
over page. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is
Hmm,
all over page, including menu, headlines, paragraphs, and footer section also.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
So
Then
when you compare
if
these
we
two,
want to if we want to get the original data, then we need to subtract those word count of header and footer from.
yeah, we are going to re-optimize this script again. If we want, we only body section word count like paragraphs and headlines. We are going
Hmm,
to re-optimize this script. So we'll
hmm,
get exact word count of only headlines and paragraphs which are there in the body of the HTML.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
but
this is for the complete page, including
hmm,
it.
hmm. But this is great if we can
Yeah,
extract the data of H1 meta description, meta title, because we were using some different tools for
right.
extracting this data. Okay,
Right.
but if we can just run one script and get all the data in single script, then yeah, obviously it will be okay.
Yeah, yeah.
This is great.
I will do that. I will do that. Only we will get the word count from the paragraphs and headlines.
Mm-hmm. So, like, how the team will be using this?
So
You
I
have
am going. I
few of
am
the.
going. I am going to share this sheet. Uh, uh, so whenever they want, like we have few pre-release tasks, right? Like content
Hmm.
audit, metadata audit,
Hmm.
right? So whenever the task is there, so they can use this script to get the data.
Hmm. Yeah, please share that script so like everybody can use that, and
Yeah.
obviously
So
there.
so which mail ID I need to give here so that
uh,
everyone can get
it can use SEO.
SEO,
SEO.com. Yeah, this second one.
SEO it growth 1900. Done. So I clearly mentioned the steps in column D also. If you face anything, you can.
I guess you should give only viewer access currently. They can copy the sheet. So if they have made any changes, then that won't be good enough.
Okay, okay, sure.
Yes.
Yeah,
Now they can use. Everybody
yeah,
get this. Uh, whatever Anil has explained. Okay,
Yeah,
that's
got it.
now we can use this in our metadata extraction that we do in the pre-release, and also we were creating these sheets in our campaign tracker as well, so we can just implement this data over
right.
there as well. है ना? So we do not have to just carry out the data of each and every URL by going into the pages. We can do it from one script. Thanks, Anil, for this. This was really helpful. बहुत
Yeah, it's
sweet
okay.
feedback. Okay. Anybody has any doubts regarding this? What Anil have shared?
Yeah, if you face anything, you can connect me anytime. I will explain you.
वैसे तो ये एक बार सेशन में रिकॉर्ड कर लिया इसको stop.